get fly, parabola. You tell me all the right things left and right. That you say what you wanna say. Time machine 타고 시공간을 넘어.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so I have a cleaning motivation video for you today. I'm so excited because, these videos actually help me clean my house. By the way, I really quick, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like shorter cleaning videos or if you like longer videos, because I can, adjust according to what you guys like. Today I am cleaning my house and it was a disaster, to say the least. My kitchen was crazy, but in the summer, whose kitchen's not crazy, right? These kids, they just eat all day, make messes, and then you come in, make a meal and clean up. It's just a never-ending cycle, but you gotta love it. I love summertime. I'll take the cleaning 100 times over having to work. Yuck. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a substitute teacher, which is why I'm making that joke, because once school starts, then I start working again. But in the summertime, I'm off. Anyways, here I am just trying to pick up, because I work better when I have everything in its place. You know what I mean? Like if I have my apples in the counter and they go in the bowl, then I put it in the bowl. It's kind of like picking up versus cleaning. There's a major difference. And I believe in picking up so much. When I haven't done crap all day and I want my husband to come home to a picked up house, I go around and I just start putting stuff where it goes. And it makes a huge difference. And then later on, I'll scrub and spray stuff down and dust and do all that cleaning. But picking up, guys, that's where it's at, okay? I had this video on Instagram that I talked about this. Sometimes when you just want to sit all day, you just need 30 minutes. 30 minutes to get dinner started, okay? Start the pot, get whatever you got going on, get that started. Put a load in the dish. Yeah, you could put in the dishwasher, but into the washer, and then pick up the couches, make everything look, pretty and fluffy, make the bed, do these little things that will take you 5 seconds. And then when he gets home, he just sees you cooking and it's a little bit picked up. And, okay, let's be clear. My husband, here I cut up some bananas and froze them because they were going to go bad. And my kids immediately used them because they were already cut up. Listen, kids, okay? They won't eat fruit or vegetables unless they're clean and cut up nicely. And then they'll eat them. So if you need your kids to eat the fruits, cut them up, make them look good, and put it right in their face, and they'll eat them up. Okay, back to what I was saying. I don't want you guys to think that my husband's you have to... The man does not care, okay? He would never in his entire life tell me, the house is not clean. No, he's not like that. And I wouldn't be with someone who was like that. That's my preference, right? But he really doesn't care. But I care. And I feel that your home should be clean for when your husband comes home, he has a meal to eat. That's just a thing that I like, right? And I also like to look decent every now and then. Sometimes I have my days that I feel bad for him, how ugly I look. But then most days I get myself together. I comb my hair and I put on some leggings and a t-shirt versus being in my pajamas and no bra, right? It's about priorities. But anyways, so here I'm just still picking up. I sprayed down some stuff. I have to be cleaning my microwave constantly. My kids make ramen and the water spills, and instead of grabbing it and then wiping it down really quick so it doesn't get stuck, no, they leave it there, and I have to go back and scrub the microwave dish thingy, the plate. Okay, I don't know where that came from. I just thought about it, and I know I cleaned the microwave in this video. Well, wipe it down. I'm just saying you guys should wipe your microwave down every so often. Guys, oh my gosh, let me tell you. Okay, by the way, I'm talking in this video just because I feel like sometimes I like to watch videos that the person is talking just so I can hear it while I'm cleaning, you know. Anyways, I have a few people that I follow that they do that, and I like it, so I'm going to do it. So guys, I haven't had Wi-Fi for at least a month now. My kids are going crazy. The man is actually here right this very moment trying to fix it. And I'm praying he can fix it because I don't know how I'm going to get this video up for you guys. But I'm probably going to have to go sit at a Starbucks. First world problem. First world? Third world. No, we're not in a third world. Okay, I'm confused. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for being dumb. Anyways, guys, here I'm spraying my sink with Clorox. Don't judge me, okay? I love the smell of Clorox. I know it's bad. I know. Tell me all about it in the comments because sometimes I have to rehear it. But I love me some Clorox and I love the smell of Clorox. But what was I talking about? My Wi-Fi. So the guy is here and hopefully I'm praying that he can fix it because we really need it. My kids are bored. They can't play. The good thing we've been playing, well, like twice. We played board games. We fight more than we play, but who doesn't, right? I'm a cheater in board games, in any game. If I'm playing with you, you better watch me because if I can cheat, I'm going to try. So yeah, we get into fights when we play games because, you know, my kids get it from me. When they try to cheat, I'm like, they get it from me. I'm not even going to deny it. Anyways, yeah, so I'm scrubbing my the stove for the 50,000th time in my life. Guys, I don't know what to make for dinner. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired of choosing what people are going to eat for dinner. And I asked them for, like, what do you guys want to eat? No one ever has an idea or a thought of what they want to eat. One of my kids tell me, but it's always the same thing. And he always wants Mexican tacos, and who's making Mexican tacos every day? Plus, I've tried, okay? They don't come out. I'm not Mexican. I don't know how to make it. I wish I did. I try, but it just doesn't come out. But I try. Here, I'm cleaning. You see the microwave? I'm sure it's dirty right now again, but you know, I did it, right? My husband comes home and you see, guys, I look like I've been cleaning this whole time. I was cleaning that day, but that's what normally I'm doing. When I know he comes home, I'm like, oh, let me get in the kitchen. Hurry up. Go do something. I love my husband so much. Don't mind him. He's a mess, guys. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Okay. My kitchen table, guys. It was disgusting. I'm going to show you in a little bit. I show you how the napkin looks. Yuck. It's bad. You know, and part of me wants to think that I'm taking the paint off of the table because I'm cleaning with Clorox, but the way my table was so sticky and dirty, it needed Clorox, okay? It needed to be disinfected, like bad. And again, I like the smell of it. Normally, I clean it with a wood cleaner, but this day I was like, you know, I've been telling my kids to wipe the table down. Like I make them, you know, do chores around the house since they're home, make them fix the couches, wipe the table down, vacuum the floor. But you know, they don't clean like a mom does. Oh my gosh, guys. So I have this little mop. Okay. It has the little, thing where you can like a thing there you can put water and your cleaning solution for your floors. This is the best thing because obviously I wasn't going to clean my floors like full on because it was nighttime by this time. Was it nighttime? I don't know. It felt like nighttime. I go to bed at like 7:30, so it was nighttime to me. I was tired and I was like, but my floors get super dirty fast, especially in the kitchen because, you know, water drops fall when they wash their hands and then they step on it and it just gets dirty. So this thing is literally the best. I have the pad at the bottom is washable, so I wash it in my, you know, washing machine. It brings 3 of them. You can use your own solution, and it's just great to like get those little spots from your floor in between your mopping days. And then oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself, guys. I did all my laundry and I folded everything. Okay, this blanket is one of the last things that I was washing, and I was so excited. My house is not decorated. Okay, hear me out. I've been in like this weird funk. After I took out my pink decorations, I was like, I just want my house to be plain. Literally, like I just want nothing out. And so that's how it is right now. There's nothing out, just like the basic stuff. And I just have to go and get my flowers, which is the next video that you guys are going to see, is me decorating my house like for a neutral. Like I just want to put neutral flowers, like white, cream flowers, and just very basic decorations until fall comes. Ew, guys, I smelled this. My kids worked out in it and left it on my couch. See, this is the type of stuff that makes me mad, because why is your stink shirt on my couch and then making my couch smell? But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm decorating just very basic when I finally do decorate. And I just wanted to be kind of plain until I could do fall, because I've been in a funk. I don't know why. I'm kind of sick of my decorations. I'm sick of my, like, the usual stuff. But I'll probably, like, buy some stuff and get excited for it in the fall, like get a little bit of few new things. And I need to organize my garage. I have so many things to do. So you guys need to subscribe. Stay tuned, because I'm going to give you motivation. Okay. When you need to clean your house, come look for my channel, because I'm going to be cleaning and I'm going to record it and we're going to get things done. I'm also going to be recording my cruise stuff, which is coming up. My vacation's coming up so fast. It's 14 days. We're leaving. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys my outfits. I'm going to show you packing. I'm going to record while we're there. So that video will come out soon. So I have a lot going on and I'm excited, and I'm just ready for all the videos to come back. I'm back to being focused on YouTube, and I want, oh my gosh, my brain. Okay, I'm sorry. My laundry room is disgusting. Okay, that's a part of my list of projects that I need to do. I did do a lot of things and I didn't record, so I'm kind of disappointed in myself, but I looked so bad when I was doing it that I was like, there's no way I can put myself on camera like this. It was one of those days that I was like, just get up and clean. And I literally just got up and cleaned. I didn't change. I didn't do anything. I looked crazy, so I couldn't record for you guys. But I did my linen closet. I'm so excited. I went through everything. I did my kids' rooms. I cleaned their closets out. Caleb moved downstairs, so now the twins have their own room. I'm really excited for that. I'm going to be decorating their rooms probably like later on in the year. I'm going to buy new furniture and like get their rooms all looking nice. And, that's a big project that I have to work on. Here I'm making tacos, guys. I keep jumping around. I'm sorry if I'm confusing you. But my point is, I'm doing a lot of projects in the house and I got a lot of things done, and I got through a lot of their closets and got rid of a lot of stuff that we weren't using. But here I'm making some tostadas tacos, American style. Y'all, if you're a Mexican or you actually know how to make tacos, forgive me, okay? This is my American version of tacos. And we used to have taco parties when I was little. Me and my sisters would sit and be so excited because my mom put all the ingredients on the table and we made our own tacos. And I don't know why it was so fun to us, but it was. So now we bring the tradition to my home and we have taco parties. My kids don't even know. I mean, I've told them it's taco parties, but they don't care like that to them. They're boys. Okay, we were girls, but I feel like boys are lazy. No offense, guys. But guys, this is one of the best seasonings I found. It makes the meat taste like Mexican tacos. And then I always put some cilantro leaves and then onion powder and garlic powder. They're lazy. So they're like, I think they would rather me make it for them and them not have to sit there and put all the ingredients on. But us girls were like, oh, we get to make our own taco. I don't know. Kids are funny. But so I showed you the ingredients, guys. That seasoning, the asada, what is it? Carne asada seasoning. amazing. I love it. My husband actually crumbles up the tostada and like, cause he likes to make it into like a salad. So that's what he did. I show you at the end how his looked, but he just crumbles up the tostadas and puts all the ingredients on top to make like a salad. But I made mine the way it was meant to be made. But I did regret putting hot sauce on mine because I didn't like the hot sauce with it. And I didn't have like the authentic one that my husband normally has. But yeah, so I grab all this is how you make a taco party. You grab all the ingredients, you set them in the middle of the table, you put everything there so that everyone can kind of like grab everything, and then you make fun of what each other puts in their tacos. And it's just a thing. We like it. One of my kids doesn't eat meat, so we all make fun of him that he just puts lettuce, cheese, and sour cream on his tacos. This day he had 8 already because he didn't need anything. He just needed those 3 ingredients. So he had already 8. That's why we only have the 3 plates. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.